The DHI-1 Interrogator and MFT-1 Transponder form a powerful acoustic system for marking and relocating underwater sites, equipment, and targets. The DHI-1 can be used as a diver-held unit or operated from the surface with the optional boat kit. Tuned to one of the 9 preset functions, it identifies a specific transponder, sends a coded interrogation signal, and receives the reply. The diver hears the response on the earphone, sees the LED signal strength bar, and gets distant readouts in feet or meters. A built-in compass then guides the operator straight to the target. The companion MFT-1 activates only when it receives the DHI's coded message, avoiding interference even when multiple units are deployed. It can be set to any of 60 frequencies for compatibility with other systems. With a detection range of more than 3,000 feet, both units are built for extended missions. The DHI runs up to 12 hours on a rechargeable NiCad battery, while the MFT operates for months on standard battery with optional housings extending life to years. Custom frequencies are available: dual underwater earphones, a boat deployment kit, a hard carrying case, 660 feet depth-rated housing. Rugged, versatile, and widely compatible, the DHI-1 and MFT-1 deliver reliable performance for divers and recovery teams worldwide.